It is not unusual to need to create extra sections in the cross-section to cater for such things as bus or parking bays, offsetting road crown, saw cut lines, or retaining walls. Anytime you want to add grade breaks in a cross-section, you either need to create and apply a new template or consider using the insert section variation. For this example, it is desired to have a retaining wall located behind the back of the curb. To reduce the depth of cut fill at the property boundary on the right side of Memphis Street, near the start of the road, the retaining wall will extend from station 60 to station 240 and be created from two sections inserted into the cross-section. In order to achieve this, the user could approach the task by creating more templates and applying them at relevant locations, or use the insert variation to create the top and toe of the retaining wall where required along the road. The insert section variation also includes the added functionality to specify tapering width and or changing slope at the time of inserting the new codes. From the design data form, select the variation data heading and click on the Add button to add a new entry. Select Insert Section and click OK. The position will be set to left. Insert position will be before selected code. Insert before code will be set to LSWI. The new code will be LTRW. The start station will be 60, the end station 240. Start width 2, end width 2. Slope vertical will equal slope. Slope will be -2 at the start and at the end -2. Plot flag will equal yes. Click on Add Update to apply the entry. The Before Selected Code option will insert the new code before the selected code working from the center line out. If Add End of Template before daylight is selected, then the code will be appended to the end of the template prior to the application of the daylight, and the insert before code will be ignored. The cross sections between stations 60 and 240 now displays a new section prior to the sidewalk on the left. Currently, this appears as an extension to the verge. However, once we make the next insert section variation, it will become the verge to the retaining wall. From the design data form, select the variation data heading and click on the Add button to add a new entry. Select Insert Section and click OK. The position will be set to left. Insert position will be before selected code. Insert before code will be set to LSWO. The new code will be LBRW. Start station 60, end station 240. Start width 0.05, end width 0.05. Slope vertical will equal vertical. Slope vertical start equals -2. Slope vertical end equals -2. Plot flag equals yes. Click on Add Update to apply the entry. The order of the entries is important as they are both inserted prior to the LSWI code. The LTRW must come before the LBRW code. Use the Move Up and Move Down buttons to reorder your data form entries. From the Design Data Form, click on the Rebuild Models button to update the surface. The cross sections between stations 60 and 240 now displays a new section prior to the sidewalk on the left. The complete retaining wall will now be inserted into the cross section. The surface model clearly shows the new retaining wall being inserted over stations 60 to 240. Note how the sidewalk deviates to accommodate the additional width of the retaining wall, as well as the additional drop from the height of the retaining wall.